Bambi. I'm here at TedHair in the actual warehouse. This is their warehouse. These are their bundles. These are their wigs. I really love TedHair. I've been with a couple of vendors, and they're one of my favorites. They're really good quality. Their lace is transparent. Everything you basically need. I live in Las Vegas. Takes me about 4 hours to get here. It's a good route. When I come, they have great customer service. Never late, always on time, always have stock. If you guys are looking for a really good vendor, I would suggest TedHair. They have warehouses here, Atlanta, all over the place, or you can order online. Either way, their hair is great. So check them out. They have Instagram. My Instagram is Beauty by Bambi if you want to check out their hair and what I do to them.